Short nodes distance. With this tool, we can reduce number of nodes, with parameter in object. Here, we have 3-line object. Here, you can see, there are many nodes in the object. Now, if we want to decrease nodes in object, select the object, and press Remove Short Nodes button. Select the object, and press End shortcut key for reshape mode, and check how many nodes have been reduced in the object. Let's see again. Select the object, and press Remove Short Nodes button with Shift key. Here, you can see that if you remove nodes with Shift button, there will be less reduction in node. Let's see again. Select the object, and open Application Properties. Here in Short Nodes Distance parameter, we will add 4 mm. Then, select the object, and press Remove Short Nodes button with Control key. Now, here we will take measurements, and check how 4 mm is calculated. We will select the measurement tool, by pressing M shortcut key, and measure the distance, from one node to another node. Here, you can see, distance between one node to another node, is 4 mm. Here, in short node distance, by default parameter is 1.5 mm.